Hey you, yes, you in the chair. Maybe you've been stuck at your desk for hours, feeling that familiar ache in your back, maybe a little foggy in the brain, maybe even a bit restless. No judgment here. You're not broken, you're just human. And here's the truth, your body was designed to move. Even when it feels like all you can manage is to sit and stare at a screen, a few minutes of gentle movement can make a world of difference. It can flip the switch and bring a little spark back to both body and mind. Welcome, friend, to the LazyFit Lifestyle. This is your invitation to a moment of magic, right here, right now, without ever leaving your chair. We're going to burn calories, boost your circulation, and wake up your brain, all within 7 delightful minutes. You don't have to break a sweat, you don't have to jump or even stand. No guilt, no drama, just 7 minutes of simple, smart movements that feel more like a stretch than a workout, but still deliver real results. And when we're done, you'll feel more awake, more focused, and just between us, a little bit smug that you did something so good for your body while still technically sitting down. So scoot forward in your seat, sit up tall, unclench your jaw, and let's get started, lazy style. We'll begin with the seated march. Sit near the edge of your chair, feet flat on the ground. Start by lifting one knee, then the other, in a slow, steady rhythm. Keep your spine long, shoulders rolled back, and imagine a string gently pulling up from the top of your head. At first, this might feel a little silly, as if you're not really doing much. But don't be fooled. This simple movement wakes up your hip flexors, activates your core, and gets your blood flowing. That gentle uptick in your heart rate, that's your body waking up. Let's make it a full body move. Swing your arms as your knees rise, keeping the motion controlled and smooth. There's no need to rush or force anything. Just show up for yourself, one march at a time. This is your LazyFit march, professional, poised, and secretly productive. With every lift and swing, you're shaking off the sluggishness that comes from hours of sitting. Keep marching, keeping that breath steady, feeling your body respond. Now let's move into the toe taps and heel lifts. For the toe taps, extend your right foot straight out and tap your toe to the floor, then bring it back. Do the same with your left. Tap, 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 alternating feet. These small movements help wake up the front of your legs, your shins and quads, which get tight and tired from being still too long. It's a low-key wake-up call for your lower body. Next, plant both feet back on the floor and lift your heels up so you're on your tiptoes, then lower them slowly. Feel that gentle stretch in your calves? Alternate lifting one heel at a time, or try both together. These heel lifts fire up those often overlooked muscles and get your circulation moving, which is especially important if you've been sitting for hours. Want to level up? Pull your abs in gently as you lift your heels. Suddenly it becomes a subtle core move too. Moving on, let's work those hips with side steps and a knee opener. Slide your right foot out to the side, then bring it back to the center. Repeat with your left. This is your side step in a chair. Simple, effective, and great for waking up your outer hips and glutes. If you're feeling brave, add a gentle bounce with each step. That little extra movement fires up your glutes, making the exercise even more effective. Now, bring your feet back to the center and gently open your knees outward like a seated butterfly stretch. Don't force anything, just let your knees drift apart, then bring them back in. You might feel a subtle warmth building in your inner thighs and hips. That's LazyFit fire, working gently but effectively to loosen up those tight areas. If you're stuck at your desk all day, these movements are gold. They're especially good for counteracting stiff hips and cranky lower backs. And if you're enjoying this LazyFit moment, don't forget to let us know. Every like and share helps us grow this cozy corner of the internet and bring more gentle, accessible movement to people who need it. Don't forget to subscribe and check out our LazyFit walking series. Ready for a bonus move? Try the knee press challenge. Bring your knees together and place your hands on the outside of your thighs. Now gently press your knees outward while resisting with your hands. Hold that tension for a count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Repeat a couple of times. It's a sneaky strength move, quietly working your glutes and hip abductors while you look like you're doing absolutely nothing. Let's wake up the upper body with arm swings and a seated twist. Extend your arms straight out in front of you, then swing them open wide like you're embracing the world. Bring them back in front, then open wide again. Repeat this movement, open, close, open, close. Feel that gentle stretch across your chest and upper back? That's posture repair in action, undoing some of the hunch that can build up after hours at a desk. Place your hands on your knees now and gently twist your torso to the right. Pause, return to center, then twist to the left. Keep your spine long and your shoulders relaxed. These twists are wonderful for waking up your spine, stretching your midsection, and even helping digestion. Yes, even seated exercise can help keep things moving. Another little gift from LazyFit to you. Want a little more? Reach your opposite arm across your body as you twist. You'll feel your core turn on just a bit more. Now it's time for a mini combo. 10 seated marches, 10 toe taps, 10 heel lifts, 10 side steps, and 4 seated twists, 2 each way. If you're feeling good, repeat the set. And if you want to add an extra challenge, grab a small water bottle or your coffee mug and hold it in front of your chest. Do 10 tiny seated pulses pressing forward. It's a subtle way to add a touch of upper body work and a perfect reminder to hydrate too. Let's cool down. March gently, let your arms relax at your sides, and if it feels good, close your eyes. Take 3 deep breaths. Inhale deeply, filling your belly. Exhale slowly, letting your tension melt away. Again, inhale, exhale. One more time, inhale strength, exhale stress. Roll your shoulders, drop your chin to your chest, then look up slowly. Reach one arm overhead, then the other, and finish with a gentle side bend to the right, then to the left. Remember, you don't need to move mountains, just your body, even here, even now. You did it, all in a chair with kindness and maybe even a little sass. You just completed a LazyFit desk walk in under 10 minutes without ever standing up. That's real movement, real self-care, and 100% LazyFit approved. If this made you feel even a little bit better, hit like and subscribe for more workouts that don't require a gym membership, a six-pack, or leaving your chair. Share this with your favorite coworker or desk buddy. Let's make desk walks the new lunch break trend. Until next time, stay cozy, stay kind, and keep moving, even if it's just from the waist down.